if you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is going to be very important for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the data engineering interview question which might get asked in your upcoming interview. So the we are about to end of this series, like we are in 99th video of 100-day series. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. I will bring the next new series onto the cloud technology, so you will get the notification of that. So let's come to the question. So question is like you have to find the customer's total spending as well as a specific category. Suppose over here they have asked electronics. So if you are customer, you could order multiple products, right? You can order cloth, you can order electronics item. So you have to find the total spending. So total spending is fine, right? If you'll do the group by with the customer, we can get that. But the question is like we have to find for the specific category in the single query. So how we will do that? So for that, what we will do, first of all, we will find the product revenue, customer revenue. So we can simply group by with the customer. And for finding the electronics item revenue, we can use the case when condition. So we can apply the case when condition. If product category is electronics, then we will take the revenue, else we will take the zero. So zero, anyway in some zero will not get added, and if we query this thing, we will get the electronics spending as well in single query. So through the group by, we are getting total spend of the customer, and through the case statement we are getting the electronics spend. So if you look over here, customer 103 have not any purchase into the despite of electronics category, so he have not any electronics spend, but other customer have that spend. I hope you have understood this question. If you have any other way to solve this question, you can write down into the comment section. I will review and I will tell which is correct.